Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Bruno from RVing TV. Today we're going to look at a 2025 Brookstone. This is a 318 model and it's very unique, just been released at the COachmen show. But really you want to see all the great features. Let's take a little walk around. First thing, because it's a fifth wheel, you want to see a nice, clean, large storage area up front. As we take a walk inside, we bring you fantastic RVs, detailed walkthroughs, upgrade tutorials, parts reviews, and even some automotive content. This is RVing TV. You'll notice a well-appointed trailer. Center island with solid surface countertops, large double-door residential style fridge, big freezer space being a side-by-side. We have a nice pantry just off to the right-hand side of the fridge. Larger oven, so you can do some serious cooking if you like to cook. For 4-burner cooktop, convection microwave. Again, all solid surface countertops around. Big screen TV with your soundbar and your fireplace. But really, before we take a look at the rest of the coach, you need to see the back. Yes, that is a screen door with glass panel doors at the back. You travel with your own deck. Now there's a fridge tucked away back here, so you can have all your drinks nice and cold. And this is actually pontoon furniture, so it's weather resistant, meant to be out in the rain, etc. But you can really enjoy this deck, and it is a permanent deck that you travel with. You can mount a TV, it is optional, but that is mounted here on this unit, and then there's even steps to get down. Now the nice thing with this is you get to the campground, there's no setting up. It's ready to go. Pop down a couple of steps, and you're ready to rock and roll and enjoy the RV life. Popping back inside, we have home theater seats, a nice freestanding dinette with 4 chairs, which makes things really comfortable for eating. As we make our way forward, let's take a look at the washroom. We have a nice large washroom, big rectangular shower with the corner seat, large skylight, and good storage around, and of course hanging for towels, pajamas, etc. As we spin around and walk into the bedroom, we have, to me, looks like a king-size bed on a slide-out. Really good wardrobe space up front. It's nice, deep, and wide. And then we have some additional wardrobe space, but it's also prepped for washer-dryer. That way, if you want to get out, travel the countryside, you can travel over a longer distance and really enjoy. Now, I'm going to take you outside. We'll take a look at that deck from the outside itself. It is fully sitting on the frame of the fifth wheel, double awnings, but you also get a third awning right over the deck entrance itself. These really nice steps attach nice and easily, and they're easy to come and go onto this deck and just to sit back and relax and enjoy. If you're looking for something different, this might be an option. Here at RVing TV, we're trying to bring you new and innovative options that are coming out in the RV industry, and 2025 seems to be a year that a lot of that is happening. So I appreciate you guys watching this quick walkthrough video of the Brookstone 318. If you're interested, get out, talk to your dealers. I'd like to say thank you to you guys for supporting the channel. Please like and subscribe the video. We greatly appreciate it. Check back soon for more great innovative RVs that are coming out in the 2025 model year. See you back soon. Take care.